Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be this classic red lip winged eyeliner and also very glamorous, simple yet easy to do winter glam holiday Christmassy kind of a makeup look which I absolutely love during winter time. So without any further ado, let's get into the video with a positive note. So first I'm using this Forrest Essentials hydrating facial moisturizer and applying it all over my face as well as neck. And then I'm using this Kama Ayurveda rose lip balm to moisturize my lips. Next, to prime my face, I'm using this MAC prep+prime fix plus fixing spray. And then for foundation, I'm using this L.A.Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation. This is the first time that I'm using this foundation and I absolutely love this foundation. It's very high in coverage and also very dewy kind of a foundation which I absolutely love during this Christmassy and party season. Next, to give some definition to my face, I'm using this Urban Decay Naked Flush palette and taking this bronzer right here and applying it on the perimeters of my face. And now bringing back some color to my face, I'm using this Milani Rose Blush in the shade Tea Rose. And then for the highlighter, I'm finally getting this Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. This is the first time that I'm using this highlighter and look at the pigmentation, guys. This is such a bam highlighter. I absolutely love this highlighter. And then for eyebrows, I'm using this MAC eyebrow styler and it is in the shade Spiked. So here I'm just filling up if there are any gaps in my eyebrows and then combing up with the help of a spoolie to get them in shape. Moving on to the eyes now, I'm using this Maybelline the Nudes palette and I'm taking these two lighter brown shades and applying it on the crease and also on the outer corner to give some definition to my eyes. Now it may not be necessary for you to have the same products which I'm using in these videos. I'm here just telling you the techniques so that you can recreate these makeup looks by yourself at home. And you can use any brown eyeshadow that you have in your vanity kit. Just grab it and apply it on your crease, deepening up your outer corner, and also do not forget your lower lash line to give some more definition to your eye makeup. And then for the lids, I'm using this pale gold, almost like a champagne sort of a color, and applying it with a small brush. You can also use your fingers. And then going back with the same eyeshadow palette, I'm using this brown color and applying it, mostly concentrating it on the outer corners and also on the crease to give some more definition and more defined look. And then finally I'm taking this gold color and applying it only on the inner corners of my eyes to give some pop. Next I'm using this L'Oreal Super Liner in the shade Black and I'm using it to apply only on my upper lash line and to create a winged eyeliner look. Time for the eyelashes, and for that I'm using this Kiko Milano Standout Volume Mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara, so I'm applying on top as well as bottom lashes, but if you want you can apply a pair of false eyelashes. And then no Christmassy look is complete without using that perfect red lipstick, and for that I'm using this MAC Rubywoo lipstick. And finally, to set everything in place, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix Compact in the shade NC35, and with the help of this big fluffy brush I'm just applying it all over my face as well as neck. Okay, so here is the final look for you guys. This is the makeup look which you can pull off with any outfit or for any occasion out there, be it your Christmas party or New Year party, or even you can glam up yourself on a holiday. So just enjoy yourself and see you in my next video. Bye.